my dear students, welcome back to my channel बच्चों की दुनिया. So today we have to learn short sentences. Sentence to read sound A. Sorry, A sound word. A, her and hand. A hand. A, pa and pet. Her and hand. A pet hand. Sa and sin. Ha as hat. A, pa and pet. Ha and hand. Sin has a pet hand. A, ba and bag. A bag. A, ra and rat. Ba and bag. A rat bag. A, ra and rat. Ba and bag. On on. A, ba and bag. A rat bag. On our bag. Look at this sentence also. A, pa and pen. A pen. A, ra and rat. Pa and pen. A rat pen. A, ra and rat. Ba and bag. On on. A, ba and bag. A rat bag. On our bed. A, cow and cat. A cat. A, ba and bag. A bell. A, cow and cat. Ha as hat. A, ba and bell. A cat has a bell. Understand, students? You have to read with the phonics like this. Students, sentence to read sound of A. Okay, look at this sentence carefully. A, her and hen. A hen. A, per and pet. Her and hen. A pet hen. Sa im sim. Ha as has. A, per and pet. Her and hen. Sim has a pet hen. A, ba ag bag. A bag. A, ra ag red. Ba ag bag. A red bag. A, ra ag red. Ba ag bag. Na on. A, per ag bag. A red bag. On our bag. A, per and pen. A pen. A, ra ag red. Per and pen. A red pen. A, ra ag red. Per and pen. Na on. A, ba ag bag. A red pen on our bed. A, ka at cat. A cat. A, ba al bell. A bell. A, ka at cat. Ha as has. A bell. A cat. A bell. A cat has a bell. These are sentence sound of A and A mixed sounds. Okay? Read this sentence carefully and make a video, send me.